This was day 4, I think, and we are whitewater rafting today. So let's all go rafting, whatever. Rafting on the river. My first time doing this, so let's see what's going on with it.
I said before, White River Reggae Park, but Bob Marley used to do music back in his days. Bob Marley, Master Griffiths, you name it, all the veteran reggae artists, that's where they started. If you didn't come to White River Reggae Park back in the days, you didn't go nowhere. It's like going to Soundfest back now. Believe it. But now you can see the owner is doing some refurnish. So I heard that they're going to have call it Seafood Fest sometime this month. I think it's the 16th, the 14th. 14th this month, we're going to have a party over here. So they're doing some work to get it ready, but here is the veteran place. Trust me. And I think that party is going to be so nice. There's a lot of artists going to be on it. Then again, in front of us, right up here. And over here, famous tree, otherwise called the Blue Moho tree. Blue Moho tree right here with the colors on it. Now we're going to stop by that tree, take some pictures by that tree.
Okay.
You mean? I'm going to go show you how the tree works. The name on the wall there, rubbing out. How long they don't use the venue. Over here, you can get pump soup, you get cold beer, you can get some jerk chicken if you want. Sure. Rum punch, you name it, juice, water, anything. Then I get welcome to the famous tree, otherwise called the Blue Moho tree, the national tree for Jamaica.
Yes, brother. Yes, hello.
You guys doing good?
Great.
Enjoying the ride?
We are.
All right. You can sit on the tree. You can stand on the tree. Do you think?